All right, so welcome back. So this time what we're going to do is we're going to actually do a lab. So not just exercises, we're actually going to do kind of a lab. And the lab we're going to do is called Lights Out. Maybe this is a game you've seen if you've taken some other courses here at Rolls-Holman. So the idea of Lights Out is that if you click on a light, so let's just say I clicked on this light here, it changes its two neighbors as well. And so the way the neighbors are considered to be is like this direction. So if I clicked on that one, my two neighbors would be here and here. So right now this image has all the lights being out, right? But if there was a random set of lights on and your goal was to turn them out by clicking, it's like a little logic game to figure it out. This lab is specifically the CSS only, right? So the style. So we're not going to write into the JavaScript to make the actual game. We're just going to try to make this page look all pretty. So your challenge, if you go look at the information, is to take it from this screen right here, which is just very, very plain, right? So it says, turn all the lights out, new game. That's literally all it says. And then if you change no HTML at all, the only thing you change is CSS. You're going to turn it into this page right here. Let's go ahead and take a look at it so you know what you're trying to do. So here I've got the page up. You're going to be learning some things about like fonts. So we've got some weird fonts going on here. You're also going to be learning a little bit about background. So you know we did background things before. And then we're also going to be creating a lot of images that are on the page at certain locations. We're going to be doing some things with sizes. We also want to make sure that regardless of how big your page is, this thing kind of stays centered in the middle of the page. This is not designed for mobile, so we definitely are gonna, like, you know, there's that promise that says, hey, mobile, I'll take care of you. We're gonna not have that line because this is not really designed for mobile. And since we don't have any JavaScript yet, instead of like making it to where you can click on it and changes the neighbors, we're going to use the pseudo selector for hover, right? So if you hover over somebody, the end of this lab, the only thing it'll do is let you hover over them and let it change. So this shows you that the CSS is ready, the game is ready for somebody that knows JavaScript to implement it. That's going to be us, but it's going to be us later. All right, so here's this lab. There's a description all about it. The way you're going to turn it in, by the way, is that it's not a static set of folders, it's just a single file, and it'll tell you all about that in the instructions. All right, good luck on the Lights Out CSS Only lab. See you next time. Bye.